Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Emeka, the Chief Priest. Today's video, I'll be teaching you about the power of traditional Igbo medicine, exploring the healing practices and beliefs of Igbo spirituality. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're highly welcome. My name is Emeka, the Chief Priest. On this channel, I share spiritual tips. I teach people how to live a spiritual, active life. Today, like I said earlier, we'll be exploring on the topic of traditional Igbo medicine and exploring the healing practices and beliefs in Igbo spirituality. Traditional Igbo medicine is a holistic healing system that is deeply rooted in the spiritual beliefs of the Igbo people, who are one of the Nigerian's largest ethnic group. This medicinal practice acknowledges the interconnectedness of physical, psychological, and spiritual well-being and seeks to maintain harmonious or a balance between them and nature. Igbo medicine employs a variety of techniques and practices, including the use of herbs, roots, barks, and plants, and also ritual ceremonies and divination to help heal the sick and to alleviate spiritual distress. These traditional healing practices are still in use today, despite modern medicine adoption as the dominant form of healthcare in the country, that's in Nigeria. One crucial element of the Igbo medicine is the belief in the invisible force or energy known as Chi. Chi is a vital force that flows through all living things, and its balance is essential to good health. The Igbo people also believe in the power of ritual ceremonies to heal and restore balance. Ceremonies such as Ikeji or Iwaji are believed to help maintain harmony between the living and the spiritual world. In conclusion, the Igbo traditional medicine offers a unique approach to healing that is deeply rooted in spiritual beliefs and practices. Despite the widespread adoption of modern medicine, many Igbo people still rely on traditional health and well-being. These practices are a testament to the powerful role that spirituality can play in healing and maintaining good health. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like it and share it to others, and also subscribe to my channel to see more videos on Igbo spirituality. Thanks for stopping by.